Okay, listen. What if you could have your most amazing blog, website, or sales funnel filled with stunning graphics and images minutes from now, without the headaches of learning design, coding, or technical skills? Mind-blowing designs you once imagined, ready in minutes to start getting you a ton of sales without waiting on anyone ever again. That's right, professional quality A-grade designs in just a few mouse clicks. Listen, it doesn't matter what business you're in. If you're a newbie or experienced marketer, entrepreneur, influencer, blogger, an author, or software creator, you need high-quality logos, box shots, covers, mock-ups, bundles, graphics, illustrations, and much more to showcase your products and services on stunning web pages for the world to see. But getting these made just the way you need them and on time is the number one headache of getting started online. You're stuck and your business never takes off. A problem everyone faces. We get it. We've tried everything graphics and design. We've designed ourselves, outsourced to freelancers, and even hired a team in-house. We've lost countless months waiting on others and hundreds of thousands of dollars in sales. It's frustrating because you have a business to run. You don't have the time or patience to chase freelancers, designers, or agencies to get your graphics. You don't have the money to keep paying for graphics, or for little changes here and there every time. It takes minutes, yet for some reason it takes forever to get them back. So you're frustrated and try it yourself. One software after another, and you're getting nowhere near the quality your competitors have who are crushing it. Now listen, what if you could instantly get the incredible graphics and designs to transform your business or service, your ugly blogs, websites, and sales funnels into electrifying and powerful sales machines overnight? Breathtaking designs that perfectly represent you, your business, crushes your competition, and gets you sales. And that's exactly why we built ClickDesigns, the world's first all-in-one designer for websites, blogs, sales funnels, and site builders. Your brand new sales weapon for stunning logos, box shots, covers, reports, digital mock-ups, product bundles, illustrations, callouts, and many more sales-driven graphics on demand. A dream come true for ordinary folks to get extraordinary designs that drive massive clicks, leads, and sales. The first software of its kind that immediately shifts your creative weakness into your greatest strength to have irresistible, game-changing designs in just a few mouse clicks. You can become an overnight sensation in just 3 easy steps. Step 1. Start from scratch or select from hundreds of fully customizable, beautifully designed templates prepared by award-winning designers and illustrators. Instantly create logos, 3D box shots, covers, reports, product bundles, mock-ups, and any graphic you can think of. There are thousands of stunning backgrounds, images, photos, shapes, icons, elements, and fonts to choose from. Add shadows, effects, and mirror-like reflections to really stand out. Preview your graphics as you create them without switching tabs because everything is finally the way you want it. Step 2. Download in high resolution and drop it directly into your website, blog, page builder, or sales funnel, and you're done. Your business is ready on a whole new level to attract, engage, and convert leads into buyers like never before. And the final step? Start getting a crazy amount of views, shares, clicks, leads, and sales. Our web pages are made with ClickDesigns. Graphics used in this video are from ClickDesigns. And for the first time ever, anyone can create mind-blowing graphics in minutes without the learning curve, technical, design, or creative skills. You just log in, click a few buttons, and out pops amazing graphics. It's the only software on the market that's incredibly easy to use and does it all, without designers, coders, webmasters, or other tools. Dress your business for success with superior designs, fast and easy to open a floodgate of traffic to getting sales. It's the perfect choice for marketers who want to launch their products today, bloggers who want to stand out with their posts today, video creators who need sexy product bundles, graphics, and illustrations for their videos today. Authors who need New York bestseller covers that scream "look inside" today. It's perfect for entrepreneurs, course creators, affiliate marketers, and software creators. You can also use ClickDesigns for your videos, social posts, landing pages, blog posts. Use it inside your courses, case studies, PowerPoint slides, and presentations. For your webinar, your bonus pages, ebooks, courses, PDF reports, podcasts, and so much more. And you can do it yourself in just a few clicks without waiting or relying on anyone ever again. You'll wonder how you will ever manage without it. And get this, during the launch period of ClickDesigns, we are eliminating the monthly fees. That's right, there are no monthly fees. Plus, listen, get the commercial rights too, because everyone needs images, graphics, and designs. There are over 16 million websites created every month. Sell them awesome graphics, logos, 3D box shots, book covers, and reports. Sell them device mock-ups with laptops, desktops, tablets, including high-value product bundles in minutes. There's so much you can do with ClickDesigns. A total game changer for you to attract a stampede of customers and clients. Never again will you spend weeks or months or thousands of dollars on designs which you can now do for yourself in just a few clicks. Everything you need is right inside ClickDesigns. So, are you going to keep paying hundreds of dollars for graphics every time you need them? Are you going to hire expensive agencies or freelance designers for thousands of dollars? Or get ClickDesigns now and save thousands, exclusively available right now at the lowest price ever. Even one design from ClickDesigns will cover your investment. This will be the best decision you will ever make because no business will ever survive without competitor-crushing graphics. Just try it. Try it risk-free with our unconditional 100% money-back and exceptional designs guarantee. That's right, a triple no-risk-to-you guarantee. If you're not impressed, just let us know for a full refund. Plus, you get to keep all the designs you created for free. That's right. Keep the designs for free simply for giving us a chance. You have nothing to risk. What more could you ask for? Click the button below and get instant access. Create spectacular designs faster than the pros with ClickDesigns now for a ridiculously low one-time payment. But you must act now because the price will soon change to a monthly subscription without notice. If you want to sell like crazy with world-class show-stopping designs, click the button below and get your account right away.